My name is Quentin Curry, and this is my informative speech for public speaking. My topic is for the most dangerous jobs. We are going to talk about the most dangerous jobs around. There are going to be many different jobs that one person can do in this world, and this is going to talk about some of the worst jobs that the world has to offer. This is something that I've done enough research on to where I can give you facts about some of these jobs and why they're so dangerous. The main points that we brought up, we'll be talking about a couple of jobs that are some of the most dangerous, and then we have different ways that I will be fact-checking for the audience. Here are some of the most dangerous jobs that are out there to choose from, based on research from Time Magazine and also Forbes Magazine. Fishing and fish workers, so fishermen. Structural sheet workers, or sheet metal workers, metal workers, for example, and aircraft pilots. Information on how these jobs are the most dangerous of them all. Based off information from Forbes magazine, you see that working as a fisherman is a very dangerous job. And that is because you have to capture tons and tons of fish. That is extremely dangerous because of the extreme weather conditions that they may face. Also, they use heavy equipment as well. And also, they possibly could drown in the event of any type of natural disaster or etc. Then you have aircraft pilots. They have a very difficult job as well because, for one, they not only have to worry about making sure that their aircraft is in good enough shape to go into the air for their aircraft maintenance right before the flight. They always have to make sure once in the air, they have to make sure that everyone on board will not get hurt. Being thousands of feet in the air is scary enough, but to be responsible for hundreds of people is very nerve-wracking, and just to know the air is not the best thing in the world to be in. Anything can happen at any moment, any time. Any second, life-flashing second, could just change anything. And also the last job that will be covered in this will be a structural steel worker, and how they have to deal with stress, and how they are going to get their job done on a daily basis. They have to deal with working hundreds of feet in the air with just a little platform that covers their feet, for example. They work on things with fire and extreme conditions that could really put their lives in danger with one false movement. They are the ones that work on the skyscrapers and create mines, and they're also the ones that work on different buildings and structures over water, underwater. I mean, it depends on what's going on, but they use heavy machinery and welding and etc. In conclusion, these jobs are very hard and some of the most dangerous jobs that the world has to offer. You have to be brave enough to go through with the training and the difficult tasks that they are facing every day in order to bring money home for their families. This concludes my informative speech. Thank you very much for listening. Everyone, you guys have a good day. Bye-bye.